In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Logseq for free across devices. We'll walk through a simple setup inside Logseq using the built-in plugin system so your workflow can stay consistent wherever you work. I'll keep things clear and practical, and I'll add helpful context along the way so you know exactly why each click matters. Start by opening Logseq on your device. Make sure you're in the graph where you want this setup to live. From here, look toward the top right corner of the app window and click the three-dot menu. That menu is your hub for app settings and advanced features. It's also where Logseq keeps plugin management, which is what enables you to extend Logseq with syncing and integration capabilities while keeping costs at zero. Inside that menu, choose Plugins. This area lets you manage what's already installed, and it also lets you browse new options. Plugins are community-built add-ons that sit neatly inside Logseq without changing your core notes, so you can enable or remove them whenever you like. Before moving on, give the page a second to load. The plugin manager fetches details from the web, so a stable internet connection helps. Next, open the marketplace. Think of the marketplace as Logseq's official directory of trusted plugins. It's searchable, curated, and designed to make setup straightforward. You can explore categories, read descriptions, and check update activity to understand what a plugin does before you add it. If you're ever unsure about a plugin, reviewing its overview and changelog is a good quick safety check. In the Marketplace search bar, type Google Tasks, then click Install on the Google Tasks plugin. This plugin connects Logseq with Google's free task service so your to-dos can stay synchronized across devices that use the same setup. After you click Install, the button will confirm the plugin is added, and Logseq will register new commands or panels related to Google Tasks. That connection gives you a lightweight, always available backbone for task syncing without paying for a separate sync service. A few tips as you wrap up. If the plugin presents a welcome page or prompts, read them carefully. They'll explain available commands and how task data flows. Take a moment to skim the plugin's settings so you understand what gets synced and how it appears in your graph. It's also a good practice to keep your plugins up to date and to review release notes when new versions arrive. That's it. By using the built-in marketplace and installing the Google Tasks plugin, you've set up a free, reliable way to keep your Logseq task workflow aligned across devices, all from inside Logseq's own tools.